Cody, today I'm gonna marry you, and nothing could make me happier. You know me better than anyone else in this world, and somehow still you manage to love me. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. You are my adventure, you are my passion. I will hurry home to you every night, and I will have to pull myself away from you every morning. I was born to love you, and I always will. I did, I do, and I will always choose you. I love you. Love, Meaghan.
Meaghan, you have become my best friend, my lover, and my partner. I am the luckiest man because I have the honor of marrying you. I vow to always support you, to love you, and to laugh with you. I vow to always be your escape room partner and your player too on countless game nights. With us working together as one, we can solve any puzzle life may throw at us. It is reassuring and it fills me with joy, knowing our love for each other will help guide us through. I love you and I vow to keep on loving you for always and forever. Oh my God.
Excited. I love you.
What's happening?
I, Cody, commit myself to you, Meaghan, as your husband to learn and grow with.
I, Meaghan, commit myself to you, Cody, as your wife to learn and grow with, to explore and adventure with,
To respect you in everything as an equal partner.
and the foreknowledge of joy and pain,
Strength and wariness.
direction and doubt, for all the risings and settings of the sun.
For all the risings and settings of the sun.
It was Christmas Day, December 25th, 2021, in front of their Christmas tree at that home they built together. Cody down on one knee, asking Meaghan to marry him. Meaghan called us on the phone, crying hysterically. I knew why, but I played along. What's wrong, Meaghan? What's wrong? What can be wrong on Christmas Day? Why are you crying so hard? I'm engaged.
To see how much these two love each other, you really have to do an escape room with them. They are a team when they are together. They read each other's minds. They know what each other are thinking, and they're going to get out of that room together. We love both of them. I love my Dottie, and I'm very comfortable with the choice she's made and her future together with Cody as well.
I've never seen Cody happier than when he was with Meaghan. I've known him for a long time. I've tried to make him happy, not like that. You two are made for each other. You don't see many soulmates, but you two definitely are, and I'm so excited to see what the future brings for you two, and I love you both.
With the blessing of everyone here today, and by the power vested in me in the state of Massachusetts, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Cody, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Furry.